Hi girls and guys, welcome back to my channel. I am tremendously elated to have you here with me today, mainly because I have so many things to share. I have so many things to just let out. I have so much information to share, and I'm happy that you decided to watch this video. So I just want to leave a little word of advice. One of the reasons why I really did not pursue the whole venture of being a content creator and really putting videos out there, starting my YouTube channel and stuff like that, the reason why I didn't do all those things in the past is because I always thought about what other people would say, what other people would think, and what their general opinion will be. I read a book, and this portion of the book really stood out to me, and it said we have stunted our growth and impeded our leap because of the opinions of others. Many times we allow ourselves to become in a place where we are fearful of what other people's opinion might be. One of the things that I would have decided to do in 2020 is to really overcome my fears, step out of my comfort zone, and to achieve things that I thought were not attainable, and so I just want to encourage you, if there is something that you're passionate about and you really see yourself in a particular place, I urge you to write the vision. You make it plain, you make daily affirmations over your life, daily declarations, and you just continue to speak positivity into the atmosphere, and you will see how much you can really achieve, because there is power in your words. And when you allow yourself to be in the habit of speaking positive things, then automatically you already in a place of victory. You are nowhere close to defeat. I didn't come out here to preach. This isn't a word, but certainly allow people's opinions to override where I see myself being. So if you have a dream, if you have a goal, you write it down. Firstly, you tell God about it and you make it happen, because sometimes we say we're talking to God and we're not actively doing anything. God needs something to work with. You just give it your best, and as the saying goes, let God do the rest. I thank you all so much for being on this journey with me. It has by far been an eye-opening experience. I never thought I could have gotten the courage to even come in front of a camera and speak to you. Of course, it feels as though I'm speaking to myself, but eventually somebody will hear it, and you kind of move forward thinking that you'll just put this amount of time into building something and then automatically you get results. Sometimes it's years of work, sometimes it's months of sacrificing. To be truly successful, you have to understand what failure is, and when you reach to that low point, like, what do you do from there? How do you pick yourself back up from that valley experience? How do you get back onto the mountaintop? Being in the valley experience will definitely show forth your weaknesses, realizing your shortcomings. It will allow you to work on those areas of your life and become the best you. So again, thank you so much for investing your time into this video, and I am tremendously grateful for all the love and support that I've been receiving thus far. And just remember, I love you all, and you're beautifully and wonderfully made. Bye. In this video, we will be doing a dramatic makeup look. Now, you probably would have seen in my previous videos that most of my looks were more to the dramatic side. But I assure you that this video in particular will be very detailed, giving you a very detailed insight as to my skincare routine. Mainly my nighttime skincare routine. We hope that you do enjoy it. If you do have questions, comments, just any sort of feedback, recommendations, you can send me an email or you can just send me a message my Instagram and we'll have a conversation. So I am very camera shy, but I promised myself that this year would be the year that I would get out of my comfort zone and I would just cross these hurdles as they come, you know. So thank you so much for watching. Let us get into the makeup look. So the first thing that you want to do is really just prep your skin. This is an extremely important step. I've heard a couple persons tell me that, you know, they just put on foundation on dry skin, and I wonder how. So if you don't do things like moisturizing, you know, you're cleansing, you just really prepping your skin for that that makeup, then the chances are that your makeup would not last. It will be a mess. So you need to prepare the foundation before you can actually build, you know. So if you don't have a solid foundation, it will all crumble. I think that is the best way I can explain it. The first thing that I do, and I would have done this step already, is I would tone. You can tone with all natural products. I know traditionally people would use the apple cider vinegar mixed with water, 1 part apple cider to 2 or 3 parts water, because of how strong the apple cider vinegar is. You can also use things like witch hazel, rose water, and glycerin. It isn't much for you to just take a cotton pad. Let me see if I find the pad that I used to show you all. Here we go. So I basically got this from my local beauty supply store, and it is cotton rounds. I got it at Pennywise and it retails at $15. I really like this pad in particular because it is very wide and also it's thick. So even if you have to remove your makeup, you can use this. Ideally, this is what I would use, and I would just take the rose water or the apple cider vinegar. I just have this brand. This is just a very common brand here in Trinidad, right? So I would just spray some and I would gently tone my face. When you are toning, what you want to be mindful of is the direction in which you pass whatever material that you're using on your face. So whether it be cotton pads, well, you don't want to use anything that would be too harsh, so you just want to move it in an upward direction, and this is so that you would not add too much tension. Generally, the more you lift your face upward is the more you prevent your face from dropping. You don't want to use any harsh material on your face because your skin is so sensitive. You want to make sure that you're gentle. Also, you can pat, right? So you could pat it in. All right, so next I'm going in with the Ordinary. I don't know if you all can see this. Right, so this is the hyaluronic acid. I would use this before I moisturize to give my skin a lot of moisture. So it really alleviates dryness. It would reduce like fine lines, and also it would like speed up the healing process of wounds. So you don't really need much, and I would just literally go in a circular motion and spread this on my face. It was not that expensive, so you can check it out and see how well it works for you. But it has so many benefits, like so many benefits. So next I'm using this Himalaya. It's a nourishing face moisturizing lotion. I love this. I don't know why I love it. I just love it. I love it because I can use it every day, and I love it because it really moisturizes my skin. I realize when I find products that really works for me, I have a problem experimenting. You would see me using one product for years, and if I do decide to try a new one and I do like it, then I would just throw out this one. So this is a staple product for me right now. It's a quick story. I was actually struggling with my skin up to a year ago, and what would have really helped me would have been my skincare regimen. So basically, I started really paying attention to my skin because that would have been something that I would have neglected for a long period of time. There's a picture of what my skin actually looked like up to like 8 months ago, and it was really bad. Like, I had a lot of hyperpigmentation, and I really thought it was eczema. Like, I was freaking out. I was telling my mom, I was telling everyone that I have eczema. And when I really did these studies, like, I really broke out because of stress and also my diet, and I wasn't drinking enough water. So definitely pay attention to your water intake and also what you put into your body, because what you put into your body is what will show through on your skin. So if you're suffering with really bad skin, whether it be eczema, hyperpigmentation and stuff like that, there are skincare routines that you can actually use to really help that issue. Right, so you really just want to put about 3 drops and you moisturize. Remember, you are moisturizing in an upward motion. You're not pulling down on your skin because you don't want that droopy skin. Okay, this step is optional. You can skip it if it is you're actually wearing makeup to go out. However, for my nighttime routine, I would always incorporate this product in my routine. So this is the Ordinary cold pressed rose hip seed oil. It's very light, and again, this really helps to moisturize and brighten your skin, and also it reduces hyperpigmentation, the inflammation that you may get on your skin. Also protects against the damages of the sun. So you just wanna really go in with that. Okay. Alright, so we are all moisturized, we are all prepped, and we are ready for our makeup. So you see guys, it's a number of steps, and though it may seem as a lot, it really pays off. Follow these steps, be consistent, and you will definitely see your face becoming very moisturized. You want to be glowing, and you want to be glowing in that sun.